the channel. This is Waga. We are going to continue building, continue working with views in SwiftUI. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any comments. What we're going to work with today is a tab view. Let me just do that. What we're going to work with today is a tab view, and yeah, a tab view just acts like it like holds other child views within it. When you tap the tab buttons, it allows a user to switch between the various views, right? And it's pretty easy to implement in on SwiftUI. And what you do is you come here, and let's give ourselves a bit more real estate, and we could say tab view like so, and give it a VStack. A VStack is going to have spacing, and the spacing is going to be, let's say, 30. And we're going to have a text so that it can tell us, so that we can know exactly what we're working with. We could say here text, and the text is going to be tab view. Is it one word? I guess it's one word. Okay, tab view. Feels like 2 to me. And we're going to make it large, the largest font, and the preset is dot large title, like so. So now we have the largest possible font, like so. And we come here and we could make this a tab item, this VStack, and we could pass in a text here. And in the text, we could say, let's call it 1, like so. And after that, we could come down here and we could have another text, and this will serve as our second screen, right? I just want to show how easy it is to use a tab, and for that we just come here and do the same. We say tab item, and tab item, like so, and we could have a text with the word 2, like so, and we could save that, and we have 1 and 2. So let's just run it so you can see it on our simulator. And we come to our simulator, you see tab view, and when we hit that, we get second screen. Tab view, second screen. Tab view, second screen. So basically, that's how you set up a tab view. And you wanted to add like an icon. Aside from just the word, you want to add an icon on the tab. And for that, on the tab item. And for that, you could just come here and say image. You don't even need to put it in like a VStack. You could just say image, and it can take an image and a text. We could say image and the system name. System name is going to be, is it phone? Let's say phone. Yes, we get phone, like that. So basically, yeah, so that's all about tab view. Tab view is one of the more simpler views, not much to it, and you can use it to navigate. And yeah, so basically, that's all about the tab view. Thank you for watching this short video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any, and I will see you in the next video.